Hello there everyone and welcome back to the High Rise Digital YouTube channel. My name is Mark and in this video today I am going to live record my first ever experience of full site editing. So I've never used full site editing before. It's fairly new in WordPress. I can't remember when it came. Was it WordPress version 6 I want to say? And I've never actually had a go with it. I've seen videos of people using it on the internet. I have seen articles, I have read articles and posts about things to do with full site editing, but as yet I've actually not got my hands on it and had a go with how it works. So I thought what I'd do is instead of doing that behind closed doors, I would do that in this video and you can see how I get on. So here goes. Now this is a completely fresh install of version 6.0.2 of WordPress, which I believe is the latest version. And I have just installed this fresh. There's nothing else on this site. So if I go to plugins, there should be empty. Appearance, I should be running 2022, which is what I think I need. And yeah, let's get stuck in. So what do I do, I guess, to use editing? I guess there's something here in appearance. I just noticed that when I clicked on appearance before. So beta? Why is it beta? Surely if it's in WordPress, it's not beta. So what have I got here? I've got some sort of block editor page. I quite like the... Oh, I was going to say I quite like having the WordPress admin bar on the left. That doesn't appear to let me do it. It's usually over here to be able to turn that back on. That seems to have gone. Fair enough. So I can't do that. So what happens when I click that? Aha, I get some sort of other admin menu. Yeah, this looks familiar from some of the videos I saw on some screenshots. So site, templates, template parts. So I'm in site. What am I actually editing here? Home. Displays post on the home page or on the post page if the static home page is set. So am I editing the equivalent of home.php? I think I am. So how do I view the site? Is it that one? Toggle navigation. Dashboard. Ah, that takes me back to there, okay. So visit site. Let's get that open in a new tab. Ah, right. So, so I was editing that, I think. Okay, so I'm editing that page in here. Brilliant. Okay, that looks the same. So let's make a change then. This is blocks, is it? Header. Header? Looks like a menu to me, not header. Oh, what's this up here? Home. Header. Home displays. That's what it says over there. Areas. So we've got header, which is that's the outline of header. Edit header. So am I editing? Ah, that's just that section, isn't it? Back. So I can't. I'm not editing that here, or am I editing that here? What does that do? Add a block. Okay, so how do I add a menu item? Ah, right. Is that a menu? Not sure what I just pressed then. That's a menu? Yeah. Select navigation menu. So edit. To edit this navigation menu, convert it to single page links. This will allow you to add, reorder, remove items, or edit their labels. I don't know if I want to do that or not. I want to have a normal WordPress menu. What's that do? Don't know. What's that do? Select parent block. So can I add? So I'm in header, I'm not in navigation, page list, navigation, make template part, remove navigation. How do I add something to this navigation? Is that an actual link? What happens on here? Sample, yeah, that is a link to sample page. What if I go into the, I can't go into the normal menus because it's not there. I am confused. So there's no way to add a menu item to this unless I press edit and it's asking me to do something I don't understand. This allows you to edit, to add, reorder, and remove items and edit their labels. Okay, that's kind of what I want to do, so let's go ahead and do that. Convert, that's convert. What's happened there then? New menu created. So, right, now I've got a plus symbol. Okay, add a block. Add a block. Search or type a URL. Type URL, search. So let's link to our website homepage. So I can do that, press enter. I don't want the label to be that though. That is quite annoying with the plus button there. How do I edit that? Is that edit that? Edit? Now. That's interesting. So I've now got the text there. Great. So go high rise. Digital. Enter. Perfect. Add another one. Why can't I add the text in here? That seems a bit weird. So if I want to do like that link, I can't add any text in there. I can only add the URL. What happens if I choose a post? Right, so it does put that in there. Then if I edit that, I've got to edit that. A lot of clicks involved there. So I can't add a link and add the text for the link. I've just got to then edit the text. Okay, well, that's fine. I can do that. Okay, so we've got a few more menu items. So I must not have saved that then. So what am I saving when I press save? Is that going to set every page? Here, right, so we'll go, this following changes have been made to your site, templates and content. Template part. Okay, so that looks like that is like a part that is used on multiple templates maybe. That's the header, like the equivalent of like get template part, and we'd use header, or even get header I suppose in this instance. So that's fine, I want to save that. Header navigation. That's a block within there maybe that it's saving. Makes sense? Save. Okay, so refresh. Excellent. What if I go to that post? Excellent. So that is saved it all the way across the site. Brilliant. So back. Lovely. Okay, so we've done that. How do we set that image? That is a group. A group. Is that a group? It seems to be a group. What about this up here? Right, okay. Inside the group, we've got a header block. What is a header? Header block. The header template defines a page that typically contains a title, logo, and main navigation. And that's a block. Looks like that is a block. Okay, so if I just come in here then and say, can I add a header block in there? Oops. No. Can't add a header block, so it's not block. Browse all. Header block isn't there. Is that a special block that only gets, that I can only add once maybe to a page? Maybe, I don't know. let's add a logo then, presumably to here. So what's this then? This is the site logo. What's a row? Interesting. Site logo. Add a site logo, I guess. Let's upload one. Oh, I've got to find one now. So, marketing, branding, logos, final, web, bitmap, logo, select. Bit small. Can I? Aha, there we go. It could just be white as well, but never mind. We'll use that for now. So again, I'm assuming when I click save, it's going to ask me to save the template again. Yes, because I've changed it. What's this? These changes will affect your whole site. But that affected my whole site. I haven't changed the icon, have I? I don't know. Save. Refresh. Ah, so my logo is also my icon. Surely you can change those independently. Replace? Not sure. Okay, what's this? This is my site title. That looks like a block. So we've got a group, and then we've got a row, and then we've got another row. Group, row, row, left. Interesting. Rows. I've never seen rows before. What? That's sort of like a container, I guess. Why is that different to a group, I wonder? Alignment. Justify items. Oh, I've got some stuff over here. Hang on, what's this? Layout. Arrange blocks horizontally. Ah, right. So that's... Oh, this is a stack now. Oh no, it's changing from a stack to a row. What's this one do? Transform to a group. Can I transform a group to a row? Yes, I can. Ah, right. So that's actually just a group then. I assume. Maybe. Who knows? Oh, what was it like to start with? I thought it was like that. Maybe not. Was that one? Yes. There we go. Back to what it was. Okay. Was that way? Yes, I think it was. Right, okay. So how would I put something else in here? Aha, right. So that's an image. So I appear to be editing the header of the whole site, but I'm on the home template. What if I want to give the home template a different header? Interesting. So let's remove this image. So that's inside a group. Ah, right, that's the whole thing. So I can just do it there. Remove group. Remove image, sorry. Right, that's better. And then that's got a background colour. Let's set that to white and set that to black, the text. Oh no, that's the... why is the text not gone black? Default. Maybe you have to set the text for each one. Where's my text gone? There's the nav colour. Text. Black. Still not showing black. Submenu and overlay. Text. Background colour. Submenu and overlay. Don't know what they mean. Black. No, still not going black. Still not going black. Navigation. Ah, navigation. Oh, these are the... Don't tell me I have to do that on each individual... Oh, I can't set the colour in there, can I? So I don't know how to make those white. How do I make those white? So what have I got selected now? I've got navigation, I've got row selected. There was a title there, text colour. Black. It's still not going black. Why is that not going black? That's really weird. What did I set as a background? There we go. Set background white. Link, maybe? Haha, that's because they're all links. That's confusing. Okay, so now I don't have to set each of these, I assume, to different colours. So it was that one I set to that one. So can I remove that colour? Yes. Correct. So it looks like I can set them on the group and then override them inside. That's fine. That's good. So navigation, what did I set? I couldn't set those. I did set that. Don't know what that means. Submenu and overlay text. Submenu and overlay background. I haven't got any submenu items. Maybe. How do you create a submenu item? That is another question. Oh, that's different now. Menus. Manage menus. Oh, it wants me to leave. Let's save. Oh, what am I saving? Template parts. Header, dark, small, and header. Where's that other header come from? Save. What does that look like? Lovely. Okay. So, how do I create a submenu? Add a block. Add a block. No, that doesn't create a submenu, does it? Transform. Navigation. What's down here? Collapses the navigation options in the menu icon. An overlay, right. Oh, overlay. Overlay of the page. So that's mobile then, is it? Colour. Submenu and overlay text. Right, let's make the overlay background red and the text white and save. And then what happens when I make this small? That's black. That's not much use. Did I leave something on black? Navigation. That was black. Text black. Let's make that purple just so we can see it. Save. Oh, that's purple now. Ah, that's red now. That's weird. Did I not refresh the page? Maybe I didn't refresh the page. Okay, so that's the background colour of the overlay. That's the text colour. What is that? Blue. That makes it black. I've got you. So that's the desktop version. That's quite confusing. Overlay menu, mobile. Ah, right. Okay. So if I turn that off, save, it will now use the normal menu. It does. Got you. And it's blue. Got you. Or I could always use that menu. Save. Perfect. Turn that off. Perfect. Got you. Okay, that's good. That now makes sense. It was hard to get, but I've got it. That's good. So that's the menu. Okay, so what am I editing here? A post title group. Is that... I'm still in home. This is tricky. How would I get to a post then there? Let me go to that one. So I'm not editing this template. I'm editing home. Home, header, footer. Browse all templates. Ah, Right. Ooh, interesting. Ah, right. Okay. So, right. So these are like your equivalent templates that you'd have in your theme, aren't they? Like with like single.php, page.php, index.php, etc. Okay, that makes sense. So if I want to edit added by 2022, not sure about that. If I wanted to edit single post, what's blank? Is that like a page template, I wonder? Yeah, there must be like post templates, maybe. Archive, post archive. Okay, so I wanted to change that, so I go to single post. Okay, so if I then I'd change the header on just this one. So if I want to add something to the header, let's just add a paragraph. I am a header paragraph. So I am in the header there, aren't I? Let me just check. Yeah, header. Let's just center that and let's make it pink and white. And, ooh, size, large. Okay, so that's in the header. That's confusing. Single post header. Am I editing the header of the single post, or am I editing the header for everything now? I suppose there's one way to find out. If I hit save, select. I think it's telling me I'm editing the header of everything. There's one way to find out, is to save that, go back home, refresh. Yeah, I am. I'm editing this header of everything. So how do I edit the header of just the single post page, or can I not do that? Maybe. Is that because I haven't created like another header? Maybe that's what I need to do. Okay, let's move that out there. Just save that again. Just check it's gone. Yes, it has. I'm on the single post. Let's just go back to that. I'm just going to put this menu back, just mobile only. Save and save. And then, get out of that. There we go. I don't like that blue, so let's just get rid of that as well. I just want to get this back to what it was ish before. That is clear. We'll make that green. Right, so I think I need to create. Just what I'm trying to do here is create like a different header for different templates. So I want the single post header maybe to include like an image at the top. Or maybe it already does. That's the feature. Is that the featured image? Yes, it is. But you might want a different header. So how would you do that? How would you add a different header on there? Why does that say add link? That doesn't output, does it? Add link? No. So there it was. Templates. Template parts. Add new. Right. Aha. Now we're interested. Add new. So let's go single post header. General templates perform a specific role at displaying post content are not tied to a particular area. The header template defines a page that typically contains a title, logo. Actually, do I want to then duplicate one? Can I duplicate that one? I can't remember which one it was now. Was it that one or that one? Can I view that? Oh, there we go. So it's that one. I think. What's that one look like? Oh, they're the same. So will I change both at the same time? Header. So let's. I can't duplicate it. Clear customizations. That's because I've changed it, I guess, isn't it? Oh, I've got another header. Okay, so that's different as well. Okay, so I've already got more than one header. So site single, how do I get to the single post? There, so single post. So how do I add a different header? Swap, is it? Transform now. How do I add a different header? I'm confused. So it's header replace. Right, where are we now? Existing. Right, got you. So these block cannot be rendered inside itself. Existing template parts. So header. Right, so I'm not using header dark small. So if I select that one, it will look the same, but that one won't. Yes, there we go. Right, hey. So that's how I select a different header. So if I save that now, so what am I saving? I'm saving. Why am I saving header? Because I've just changed that to header dark large. That's confusing. Ah, is that why it said it can't render itself? Is that placed within that one? So I've got a header that's using a header. I think that's what's happening. That's why it's brought in my changes. Maybe save. So what happens now on the single page? Correct. So I've got this large header. I'm assuming that the home page won't. Correct. Sample page won't. Single post will. Right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Whew. Right. This is quite hard, to say the least. So what might else you want to do? Let's stick to this single post. Let's get rid of that as well. I don't like that header. Replace. Let's just go with the standard one. So what's happening here? We've got a group within a group. Why have we got a group within a group? So that group is set to gather blocks in a layout container. I don't understand that. Why have we got a group in a group? So I've got a group and a group. That doesn't make sense. Maybe that's just a layout thing on the front end. Don't know. Then I've got the post title. Then I've got a featured image. So presumably these get replaced with the actual featured image. Yeah, that's what must be happening. Because if I refresh this, why is that not changed? That's because I haven't saved, I don't think. Yes, yes. So that's been replaced with the actual title. This doesn't have a featured image, I guess. Yes, let's give it a featured image. Upload. Let's go for a featured image. A lovely mountains. Beautiful. Save. Update. Come on. Yes, there we go. Right, it's a bit big though. Can I set the height? Dimensions, padding, margin. No, height. Can I set the height? What's that do? Apply duotone filter. Post feature image, change block type or style. Nope. So how do I set the height? I don't want it that high. I mean, I could just change the size of the image, but it seems I could do something with CSS, but I would imagine I'd want to be able to choose my image size there. Okay, well let's pass that a minute. So that's the title. So if I can change the color, make this title a link. To what exactly? A link to what? I guess we can find out. Save. No, a link to this post. Why would I want to do that on a single post? I wouldn't, but if you're using that block on an archive, you would. Maybe that's what it is. Got you. So I'll turn that off because I don't want that. Why did... Oh, they didn't. Okay, perfect. I guess that's just the divider, is it? A separator. Yeah. This is the post content. Excellent. No options on that one. That's fine. Ooh, lock. What's this? So it's post. So these just get replaced with the post date, post author, post categories, post tags. And then we've got comments. Okay, so in theory, could I just like move that up there? Save, save. Then comments should come before. It does. There we go. Comes before that. Okay. Cool. So what might you want to add to this? I know what you might want to add. You might want to add like a latest posts section at the bottom. In fact, you'd want to add that potentially before comments, actually. I don't know. We'll move that back to where it was. Let's put it at the bottom. Ooh, what's that? That'll be a footer. Yes. So I want it there. Okay. Right, so can we do latest posts? We can. Very nice. So, go on then, we'll display featured image. Yep. Obviously. Don't want the content though. Ah, so we can choose image dimensions here, that's good. Image alignment. No, I don't want to do that. So, I've only one post. I wonder what would happen if... I presume they'd stack them, wouldn't they? Right, so maybe if I group that and then say group goes into a row, so they go that way, correct? Perfect. So save that. Refresh. Okay, that's a shame that I can't exclude the post I'm on. And why is that not a link either? Can I make that a link? Thumbnail size. Add link to featured image. Perfect. Does that become a link to the post? No. Oh, I haven't saved it, that's why. Refresh. Yes, it does. Excellent. Right, brilliant. So, next thing, what was I doing? I was doing that into a row. Let's add another post. New post. Just testing. Let us stick a category on it. Let's put a featured image on it. We'll have a different featured image. Some beautiful trees. Set featured image. Very nice. And publish. Now, I would expect that to appear here. How do I get that to refresh then, I wonder? I don't know. Maybe I have to save. No, maybe I have to just refresh. Refresh, refresh. No, they're still on top of each other. Group. Oh, whoa, that's big. Group, group, row. Arrange blocks horizontally. Why are they not being arranged horizontally? Ah, right, I know why they're not. Because that's a block inside there, isn't it? And I can't do that, can I? Oh, the number of items 5. I don't think I can do that. Newest to oldest. Separate. What does that categories mean? Does that mean show posts from a certain category? Yeah, because I can show posts from a certain author. I've got some list view. Grid view. That's kind of what I want, I think. Okay, alright. I can't... Yeah, what if I've got like latest from custom post type? Does that block allow me to set the post type? It doesn't, does it? Yeah, that's fine. WordPress doesn't know I've got a custom post type, so that's fair enough. Which I obviously haven't on this site. Okay. So we've kind of laid that out. I've got some extra content on. Why have they gone small? Is that because I've said 5 in a row? Where's it gone? There. So if I change that to 2 columns. 2 columns. Can't do 1 column. 1. No. If I set that to 2, number of items 2. No, I don't want 2. I want like 6. Why is it in 2 columns? I don't understand that. It's kind of stuck on this right hand side a bit, isn't it? This left hand side. So I've got yeah, that's tiny, that's why. Why is that so small? Oh, if I understood CSS, what does display flex do? Whoa, makes it do that. Oh, I'm not getting into that. Okay, so that's good. I've managed to do something with that. What are template parts? We've done that. Presumably I can create a new template part. So like I could create a template part for call to action to stick on a page or more pages. Don't quite understand what these mean. Why does it matter what it is? Surely if it's just blocks, it's blocks. Anyway, general create. So let's create a call to action. Let's create a group block. Let's give that group block a background color of green and a text color of white. Let's create a heading that says get in touch, and then let's do a button that says contact us now, and then let's link that to, let's just link that to sample page for now. I know I'd have a contact page, but have I not got pretty permalinks turned on this site? Mustn't have. So let's do that. Let's why have I got this big white space here? Is that just because I've not used enough of it? That's fine. Let's save that. Save call to action. Okay, and then let's put that on all of the pages on the site. How do we do that? So we need to edit the page template. Yes, template pages. Cool. So this is similar to single, isn't it? And we want to put this at the bottom. So let's do that before there, like we did with the other one. So add there. Template part. Beautiful. Choose. Oh, there it is. Lovely. Excellent. So now save, and sample page. This is a page. Yay! My template part's at the bottom. Brilliant. I'm actually going to stop there. So that's my first experience of full site editing in WordPress. So what are my views? What are my opinions on this? First of all, I do actually think it has a lot of potential. It allows you to pretty much edit everything on your site, it seems, which is great. You know, that's something that we as an agency have been building solutions for to try and give to clients for a number of years now in different iterations, using advanced custom fields, using the block editor with some tweaks and changes. And this kind of gives us other tools to do that with. I found it really hard, as you saw, to actually do. Will my clients be able to cope with this? No, not now. But there's a learning curve to everything. So actually, there's definitely going to be a massive amount of education involved for me, as you saw, and also for clients. And also, like, how do we actually develop on top of this as well? Massive for that. But I do think it has potential. I don't think it's right for us at the moment. As you can see, I was struggling from time to time. I think it's quite complicated with how things are done. But it's new, and everything that's new is hard. So I do think there's an element of we just need to get in there and learn it. Whether that's going to be today, tomorrow, next month, or in 2 months' time for us, I don't know the answer to that yet. But if, like me, you haven't had a go with it, then why not have a play with it like I've just done? I actually quite enjoyed that, having a go and seeing what I could do. I'm sure I could come up with something a lot better given a little bit more time. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any experiences of full site editing, please share them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the High Rise Digital channel, that would be awesome. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps us out. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.